In this video, we are learning about pairs of angles. The different types of pairs of angles are complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair of angles, and vertically opposite angles. Complementary angles. When the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, the angles are called complementary angles. Here, angle PQR and angle STU are complementary angles because sum of these two angles is 90 degrees. Let us see these angles are complementary angle or not. Here, angle PQR makes 60 degrees and angle STU makes 30 degrees. Now the sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. Hence, the angle PQR and angle STU are complementary angles. Another example, in this figure, angle ABC makes 75 degrees and angle XYZ makes 25 degrees. The sum of both angles is not equal to 90 degrees. So, they are not complementary angles. Supplementary angles. When the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, then the angles are called supplementary angles. Here, angle AOB and angle PQR are supplementary angles because sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. Let us see these angles are supplementary angles or not. Here, angle LMN is 60 degrees and angle XYZ is 120 degrees. Now, the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle LMN and angle XYZ are supplementary angles. In this example, angle PQR and angle RST are not supplementary angles because the sum of these two angles is not equal to 180 degrees. Adjacent angles. Two angles which lie side by side are called adjacent angles. They have a common vertex, a common arm or common side, and they do not overlap. Here, angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles because they have common vertex O. OB is the common arm, and there is no overlap of angles. Let us see if these angles are adjacent angles or not. In this example, angle AOB and angle BOC are two angles. They have a common vertex O, a common side OB, and there is no overlap of angles. Therefore, angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Another example. Here, angle PQR and angle RQS are two angles. They have a common vertex that is Q and a common arm QR, but these angles are overlapping each other. Therefore, angle PQR and angle RQS are not adjacent angles. Linear pair. Two angles that are adjacent angles and whose non-common sides form a straight line. Then these angles are called linear pair. Here, two angles are adjacent means they have the common vertex, common side. Non-common sides make a straight line. That is, sum of the angles is 180 degrees. In this figure, angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles because they have the common vertex, so OB is the common side. And sum of these two angles is 180 degrees. Then we say that these two angles are in linear pairs. Let us see these angles are linear pair or not. Here, angles have a common vertex O, common side OQ. Now, sum of these angles is 180 degrees. Therefore, non-common side PR form a straight line. Hence, these angles form a linear pair. In the second example, observe these angles. Here, angles have a common vertex or common side OC. Now, Sum of these two angles is 110 degrees. It is not equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, non-common sides do not form a straight line. Hence, these angles do not form a linear pair. Vertically opposite angles, when two lines intersect each other, four angles are formed. The pair of angles which lie on the opposite sides of the point of intersection are called vertically opposite angles. In this figure, here line P and line Q intersect each other at O. Four angles are formed. Angle 1 is opposite to angle 3. Similarly, angle 2 is opposite to angle 4. Thus, angle 1, angle 3 and angle 2, angle 4 are the two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are always equal measures. That is, angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 equal to angle 4.